Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by working non-destructively. Duplicate the image and hide the original. Open your chosen editor, then select the text area with a lasso or rectangular marquee so you isolate the problem. Once done, apply content-aware fill for a first pass because it uses surrounding pixels to recreate texture and color. If content-aware struggles, switch to the clone stamp or healing brush for targeted fixes. This gives you manual control. Make sure to set brush hardness low for softer edges and sample nearby areas frequently. Now refine the result by zooming in and inspecting edges and texture continuity. You should alternate between clone stamp and healing brush. Use the clone stamp for structure and the healing brush for texture blending. Once done, create a new layer and perform corrections there so you can adjust opacity or erase mistakes later. Use a soft brush at 10-40% opacity for gradual blending, and sample frequently from multiple directions to avoid repeating patterns. Make sure to toggle the mask on and off while checking overall balance. Finish by matching color and brightness. Use curves or levels on an adjustment layer to ensure the patched area blends with the rest. Once satisfied, save a layered file, then export a flattened copy for delivery. If you notice repeating texture or soft halos, undo the last steps and refine the selection edge, or try frequency separation to handle texture versus color independently. If problems continue, step back to the duplicated original and repeat the selection more precisely. This usually fixes stubborn artifacts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.